How to use AI and not turn stupid in the process. Credentials are that I studied data science at UC Berkeley. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Annika. I'm a data scientist by day and a fashion designer by night. Don't get me wrong, I love using AI such as ChatGPT or Copilot to make my life easier, but it is so easy to use it and then stop using your brain. So I'm going to teach you how to use it, but then also be smart at the same time. First thing is first, when it comes to finishing exams, doing homework, do not use AI to do those for you, especially if you're not actually reading the textbook or reading the lectures. AI is not going to teach you how to think. It's an amazing like a tool, but like just like using a calculator, if you don't know how to add 4 plus 4 first, knowing that 4 plus 4 is an 8 on a calculator is not teaching you what 4 plus 4 means. So you need to actually know the fundamentals. What I like to do is use ChatGPT to bypass things that would normally be not free or like make my life easier. For example, when I was leak coding at the end of college, leak code problems, so I used ChatGPT to come up with more problems. It's a great way to create more resources and a tool for you. When it comes to planning trips, I love using AI to create like a mock outline or suggest me some great restaurants. But I've learned this the hard way. You don't want to just stop there. I vet all of the options that AI comes with. I check out all the restaurants, see what the actual reviews are. Because a lot of times, a lot of these AI models and Gen AI things are programmed on old data. And even though newer versions are coming out, it still sometimes picks older options. And it's just good to vet those things through. When it comes to writing, if you're using AI to write, that is not going to make you a better writer. I would rather use AI to maybe check my grammar, especially if you don't like Grammarly or to check grammar. It's amazing to check if there is plagiarism in your work. I also love using AI to help me find sources, but I'm not using AI to come up with a source or to write the paper for me because that's not going to make me a better writer. Big theme here is using AI to make your life easier and faster, but not doing the work for you. Now let's talk about when it comes to using AI in fashion. I know there's a lot of talk about soon we won't need fashion designers because AI can just design clothes for us. I think that takes the human aspect out of fashion altogether. What I love about AI is doing your color analysis, getting your perfect measurements. Something that I loved using AI for my brand was here's a pair of pants that I made. How can I tighten this one seam that would make it fit better on the waist here? And I just use it as a sounding board, but it's not the one stop shop for everything. It can't answer all your questions for you. All in all, I'm a huge supporter of AI. I think AI is going to make our world faster. It's just another form of a calculator, but you got to learn how to do the math first. Disclaimer, not everything that AI says is true, so please use it with caution. Happy coding and happy prompting!